Hi everybody, John Daniel Tittle IV, and once again I am here to talk to you about my newest Kickstarter. Sometimes I worry you guys get tired of these things, but you need to know what's going on and it's important. To me, and I think to you. First, the For Mature line is exactly that. It's not for kids. Cussing, killing, raping, whatever, everything goes. This comic's about hell, so it can't be written with kids' gloves or else it's not going to be realistic or even a good comic. I've picked out some really interesting characters from history, and to be honest, hell's probably filled with a lot of interesting characters, since most bad guys and good guys probably go there. If it's now, I know some people think, well, this is a Christian hell. It is based on that, but it's a bigger philosophy, and I can't talk about it now, or else I give away future plots. But I can tell you, for the most part, we're going on the Christian religion end. Something else different about this: Legend is a one-shot. It's a trade paperback setup. It's my first one, and I wanted to try out something different instead of series, and that way you can sort of read it from beginning to end and not have to worry about getting issue 2 if you don't like it. And but saying that, you guys come back for issue 2 and 3. I can't say how much I want to thank everybody. When I see those names pop up on the Kickstarter and I know them, it makes me feel really good to know you guys are jumping in there and keeping me going, because I can't do it without you. There's no way I can make comics without you guys. And I mean, a lot of your suggestions change what I do. The way I do business is coming through suggestions from you. For instance, on this Kickstarter, everybody gets a PDF. Well, that came to me through one of my people on one of the last Kickstarters, and she was like, why am I not getting a PDF? And I thought, why aren't you getting a PDF? You should have got one. I guess I was being lazy, and I can't be lazy if I'm going to deliver good comics to you. That's just a fact. So anyway, if you can, everything else is explained out there. Check out Legend. I'll have some more update videos coming with some people like my fun videos, so that'll be coming soon. And pledge, help them every way you can, guys, and thanks. I'll see you next time.